Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sushma Katade. I am from Department of Chemistry, Modern College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Ganeshkhind, Pune. Students, today's lecture is on IUPAC nomenclature. Hello students, today we will see the IUPAC nomenclature of alkane. So there are some rules to give the IUPAC nomenclature of alkane. What is meant by the IUPAC nomenclature? It is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry system of nomenclature. Students, in earlier times, some organic compounds were named according to their property, which is based on their origin. For example, urea is a crystalline substance isolated from urine. Citric acid is the name, so because it found in citrus food. Acid is found in red ant is named as a formic acid because the Latin word of ant is formica. So these names which are used even today are called as a common name, or it is called as a trivial name. But due to the large number of the organic compounds are synthesized, today we have near about more than 25 to 27 million organic compounds. So in order to clarify the identity of that compound, so there is a systematic method of naming of that compound. So there are some rules to how to name the organic compound. So we will see which are that new rules. First we have to find out the longest chain. So this rule is a longest chain rule. So we have to identify the chain of carbon. Then another rule is identify the name of group. For example, in this box, if you just see the number of carbon, so for if there is a 2 number of carbon, then we can say it is an ethane. Then if it is a 3 number of carbon, 3 carbon chain in a backbone, then it's propane. Then 5 carbon chain, it is pentane, like this. Okay. Now if the number of chain consecutively starting at the end and nearest substituent group, that means suppose some examples, we'll be going to take some examples. Suppose this is the longest chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so therefore the name is given as this hexane, and here CH3 group is a substituent, ethyl group is a substituent. So what happened, the number the chain consecutively starting at the end nearest to the substituent, that means the substituent nearest you can start the numbering. So here if you can write down the carbon number 1 to this and carbon number 2 to this, then it is correct. If you can starting numbering from this side, it is wrong. Why it is? Because the substituents, this ethyl substituent is at carbon number 3, but here this methyl substituent is at carbon number 2. Okay, so therefore this third rule, that is number the chain consecutively starting at the end nearest the substituent group. Okay, then next is what, designate the location of each substituent group by an appropriate number and name. That means you have to locate where it is the substituent group is present. Suppose you can start numbering from 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means your methyl group is located at 2 position, and therefore it is a 2-methyl group. Then this ethyl group substituent is located at a 4th number of the carbon atom, and therefore this is 4-ethyl group. Okay, why 4-ethyl is come first and then 2-methyl? Because the substituents is always write in alphabetical manner. So this 5 rule you should remember. We can solve the number of problems by giving the IUPAC. So we can start a simple from a simple easiest problem. Okay. So students, you only remember main 4 IUPAC rules. Which you have to remember. First rule is longest chain rule. It is the longest chain rule. Then second rule you must have to remember is the lowest number rule. Lowest number rule. Then third important rule you should remember, identify and number of substituents. So you have to identify the substituents and number of that substituents. Okay. And the fourth rule you should remember, you have to just give the prefix, then alphabet, and write the name of alkane in single. Write the name of whatever the compound in a single word. Okay. So these are the basic rule you must have to remember. Now we will be going to solve problem one by one. So to solve first problem, we should, before solving this problem, what is meant by this longest chain rule? Okay. So longest chain rule means what? Suppose this is the carbon chain. Instead of drawing this CH3, CH2, CH2, I am drawing only the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I am drawing another one. 1, 2, 3. Here is one more substituent. Then 4, 5, 6, and here is the 2 or 3 substituents. I am also drawing another one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now, which you consider as the longest chain? Obviously, this is only the single chain. So you have to consider longest chain, and you can write down the numbering from any side, from either from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or from this side. So it's a simple hexane molecule. Okay. Now here you consider the longest chain. There are the 3, 4 type of the chain. One is this one, correct? Another one is this, and there will be a this chain also. Okay. So for this chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you consider this green chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we consider this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this 6 is the largest number long. Therefore, you can consider this chain is the longest chain. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the same. So which chain is preferable? Longest chain, whether this chain or this chain. So obviously this will be the longest chain. So you observe in your molecule longest chain. Okay. Then substituents, lowest number of the rule. That means suppose there are the substituent like this. Okay, now in this compound, first you write the numbering. So numbering is here, we can write down from this side also and from this side also, but because this substituent, it is, if you can write down numbering from this side, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is at 3 position. If you can write down 1 2 3 4, so this substituent is it at 4th position, so 4th substituent is not, this will be a correct. Okay, if you can consider the longest chain, this one. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Obviously this carbon is a substituent, it is from second number of the carbon atom, and therefore you can write down the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here you can write down 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and there is other numbering also, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this substituent is it at 2 position, and here this substituent is it at 4 position. So lowest number is 2, and therefore this numbering is correct, this numbering is wrong. Now we will be going to solve the problem. So you can take one example. CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3. We can attach substituent here and here. Suppose CH2, CH3, and here we can attach one substituents and write down the proper name. So longest chain, first rule is the longest chain. So which one is the longest chain? We will be going to identify whether from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 1 2 3 4 5 6, one and the same. Now from where you will be going to start numbering, from this side 1 2 3. So here substituent is it at 3 position, and from, if you can start writing numbering from this side 1 2 3 4, then substituent is it from 2 position. So therefore your earlier is wrong, this will be correct. 5 6. Now what is the next? Identify the substituents and numbering. So which substituents are there? First is this substituent. What is the name of this substituents? Methyl. Then another substituent is this one. What is the name of this substituents? Ethyl. Okay. Now identify and numbering. Numbering means this methyl group is 2 position, ethyl group is 4 position. So how we can write down? There is a 2 methyl and 4 ethyl. Now out of these two, alphabetically ethyl come first, and therefore the write in a single word, you can write down 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, 6 carbon chain, therefore it is hexane. So this is the IUPAC nomenclature of this. We are going to take the second example. Okay, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, and we giving CH3, CH3, CH3. Okay, now obviously this is the longest chain. Okay, this is longest chain of which carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now numbering. So I am writing from this side. Why it is? Because this is the substituent which is at 2 position. So it is the lowest number rule follow. If I am giving the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why it is? If I am writing numbering from 1, 2, 3, then my this substituent is at 3 position, and here substituent is at 2 position, and therefore the lowest number rule follow if you can write numbering from right hand side. Now how many substituents are there? 3 substituents are there, and all are methyl substituents. All are methyl substituents. Okay. So identify methyl. Now numbering. So numbering are one is at 2 position, another one is at 4 position, another one is at 5 position. All are methyl, and you just give the prefix. There are the 3 methyl, therefore you can write down trimethyl. Okay, there are no other substituents, so you just write down final answer 2, 4, 5 dash trimethyl heptane, because 7 carbon chain. Okay. Now same problem will be going to take another way. Same chain will be considered CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Okay, heptane. Now here I am writing CH3, CH2, here CH3. Okay, CH3. Now which chain you will be going to consider? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you can consider from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this chain will be a 7 carbon, and this chain is a 8 carbon atom. So 8 is, you have to consider the longest chain as a 8 carbon atom. Okay, so it's octane. Now substituent, identify the substituents. How many substituents are there? So it is this one, and this one. So 3-methyl, again you can write down the trimethyl, but identify their numbering. Okay, so numbers are different. So here is the numbers are 3-5-6 trimethyl. Okay, so it's a numbering 3, 5, 6 trimethyl 10. So this is correct IUPAC number. Another example. CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, 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 CH3, CH3. Now if you consider numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this should be your longest chain, correct? Now from where you should start the numbering, from this side or this side. This is at 2 position substituent, okay, nearest. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now identify, this is methyl substituent and this one is the ethyl. Okay, so methyl is at 2 position, ethyl is at 4 position. So E comes first alphabetically. Therefore you can write down 4 ethyl, 2 methyl hexane. Now we can take little bit of critical problem. Okay. CH3, CH, CH3, then CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3. Now here if you can write down numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both side the substituents same. Now from where you consider? From this side, because your second substituent is nearest from this side, okay, and therefore the longest chain you consider as this one, and the substituents are 1 methyl, 2 methyl, 3 methyl, 4 methyl. So it's a 4 methyl, means prefix you can write down tetra, okay. So it's a 2, 3, 3, 5 tetramethyl hexane. Now problem number 1. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Second, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, 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 CH3, CH3. Then third, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3. Here is the H. So here this we should consider as the longest chain. Okay, so from where you should start the numbering? 1 2 3 4 5. No, this is wrong. You have to consider the longest chain is this one. Okay, and this will be a substituent, methyl. So numbering must start from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this substituent is it at 3 position. So numbering is a 3-methyl hexane. This is its IUPAC. Second one, if you can start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, or you can start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So obviously this is your longest chain. Correct. Numbering start from this side or this side. So if you can start from this side, so at 2 position there is a methyl. If you can start from this side, at 3 position there is a methyl. So this 2 is the lowest number rule. So this is correct, and this with from this side it is wrong. Okay, so now numbering is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now this CH3 is goes on 8. Sorry, 6. So there are the 2 methyl group. Sorry, one more methyl is there. Here is the 6 methyl. So it is 2, 6, 6 trimethyl octane. So this is the correct nomenclature. Now next problem. So if you consider longest chain from this side, correct one. Numbering from 1 2 3. So at 3 position there is a methyl group. If you can consider 1 2 3 here also. So which one you will be going to consider? This one. Why? Because there are the 2 substituents are there. So here 3 substituent. So it's a 3, 3 for this and for this, and then numbering 1 2 3 4 5. Another substituent is at 5 position. So again it is trimethyl 6 7 heptane. So what you should remember, you consider as a longest chain, number rule, identify the substituents whether it is methyl or ethyl, then prefix whether they are if there are the 2 then di, use 3 methyl then tri,